In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create columns in Notion. Columns make a great way to a well-structured and organized planner or whatever it is you're using Notion for. And creating them is so much easier than you may think. All you have to do is hover on the left side of the beginning of the text or block. You'll see the 6 dots. Now, drag it all the way to the left or right and drop it when you see this blue vertical bar. Now you have 2 columns, and you can add more as you'd like by doing the same thing. If you have an empty page and you want to format it first, press the slash key and type in CO. The maximum number of columns shown is 5, but you can add more than that using the first method I showed you. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.